First, roll cover to open position and secure with storage straps. At front corner, remove bolt mounting tension adjuster to side rail. Save bolt, nut, and washer. Under front bar, loosen remaining tension adjuster bolt. Then slide tension adjuster away from side rail. Repeat process for remaining tension adjuster. Next, remove rolled cover from truck box. On a clean and smooth work area, unroll cover with bars and bows facing up. Place new vinyl next to old vinyl with exterior side facing down. Match tailgate end of new vinyl to tailgate end of old vinyl. At each end of front bar, remove and save Phillips screws. These screws hold the vinyl tight after assembly. Then determine how storage strap brackets attach to cover. Pull storage strap up until free from bar, then pull through slot and vinyl. Repeat process on opposite side. Save storage straps for later. Then remove bar by sliding off vinyl. Next, align front bar channel with hem on new vinyl in same position as old vinyl. Carefully guide front bar onto new vinyl. Continue sliding front bar until centered. Pull slack or wrinkles out of new vinyl while keeping front bar centered. Then attach new vinyl to front bar and pull tight. Center bar and reinsert Phillips screws. New vinyl should be tight from side to side and extend equally at each end of front bar. Adjust until tight if needed. Insert storage strap brackets through factory cut slots in new vinyl. Carefully align snap-on bracket tabs with groove in front bar and gently snap into place. Then determine how vinyl straps attach to rear bar. At each end of rear bar, remove and save Phillips screws. Next, align rear bar channel with hem on new vinyl in same position as old vinyl. Carefully guide rear bar onto new vinyl. Then attach new vinyl to rear bar and pull tight. Center bar and reinsert Phillips screws. New vinyl should be tight from side to side and extend equally at each end of rear bar. Adjust until tight if needed. Insert vinyl straps straight through nylon slide locks or latches. Allow hemmed ends to keep straps engaged. Next, remove one bow at a time from old vinyl and install at corresponding location on new vinyl by peeling apart hook and loop at both ends. Ensure existing hardware is correctly installed. Turn cover over and roll using rear bar. Then secure with storage straps. Set rolled cover on rails behind cab and set flat on side rails with vinyl flap tucked under front bar. Next, slide tension adjuster over until both sections engage under side rail. Align holes to insert bolt from top, then secure with washer and nut on bottom. Repeat process for tension adjuster on opposite side. Center front bar between side rails, then tighten bolts under front bar. Then unroll cover to closed position. Rear bar should snap down and cover should sound like a drum when tapped.